Hey guys, happy April 26th, 2026. So, real quick video, and I do mean it this time. This is the Onefinity Gen 2 Journeyman. It's assembled. I've got everything cleaned up, fixed up, squared away. I've got the dust collector squared away. I'm not using it for the purpose of the video, but this is going to be my very first test cut with Carveco Maker. So, let's see what happens. This is just a silly little design that I made with Carveco, and it's just a piece of junk plywood that I actually painted black so I could see how it turned out very well. And the bit that I'm using is a 90-degree, and it's an old bit, so I expect a lot of fur. So that's it. It was, again, just a test cut, and first file I've ever made on Carveco Maker. Squares, circles, and a couple of pieces of text, and that's exactly how I designed it. So I got to tell you that I'm ecstatic. I can't wait to move forward with this machine. Accurate, quiet, yeah. The Carveco that I do currently own, it was, the software was a lot easier to use, but limited. So this is going to be awesome. Anyway, guys, today is Sunday, the 26th, April 2026. Enjoy your day, and we'll talk soon. Take care now.